Hola, hola, buenos días, buenas tardes, buenas noches. Hola, hello, hi. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. ¿Cómo estás? How are you? Espero que muy bien. I hope you're doing well. Hoy vamos a continuar aprendiendo sobre la comida. Today we're going to continue learning about the food. Y vamos a concluir nuestro aprendizaje con qué le gusta más, qué te gusta más, qué les gusta más. So we're going to be concluding our learning about food, like meals, with being able to express what we prefer versus what we don't like in general. Okay, so we're going to go over things that we like and things that we possibly don't like. Okay, vamos a comenzar. Bueno, primero, vamos a repasar. First, we're going to review. Okay? El desayuno. El desayuno means breakfast. El almuerzo. El almuerzo means lunch. La cena. La cena, dinner. Okay? Y hemos platicado, we've talked about lo que posiblemente comemos durante estos horarios. So we've talked about some of the possibility, some of the food that we may possibly have at this specific time of the day, right? So, por ejemplo, durante el desayuno, breakfast, podemos tener panqueques, pancakes, huevos, eggs, tocino, bacon, jugo de naranja, orange juice, leche, milk, café, coffee, y pues hay más comidas, and there's more foods, right? Para el almuerzo, lunch, podemos tener sándwich, podemos tener hamburguesa, podemos tener un perro caliente, podemos tener sopa de macarrones con queso y más cosas. Y para la cena podemos tener bistec, podemos tener pollo, podemos tener pescado, ensalada, sopa, arroz, pasta y muchas cosas más, ¿sí? Bueno, today, vamos a enfocarnos, we're going to focus on qué les gusta más. Now, ¿qué les gusta más means what do they prefer? Okay? So what do they prefer? If you were to ask the question, what do I prefer? Then you would say, what does he prefer? Then you would say, te gusta instead of les gusta. Okay? For example, I'm going to ask, let's just say who should I be? I'm just Zoe, plain Zoe. And I'm asking plain Ricardo, Richard, ¿sí? ¿Qué le gusta más? I, Zoe, want to find out what Ricardo likes. I want to find out whether he likes ice cream or cake. Which does he prefer? Ice cream or cake? So this is how I would ask in español. Hola, Ricardo. ¿Te gusta más el helado o el pastel? Hi, Richard. What do you prefer? Ice cream or cake? Then Ricardo will respond to me by saying, me gusta más, which literally means I like more, but it can also be interpreted as I prefer. Okay? So, me gusta más el pastel. I like more cake. Or I prefer the cake. Okay? Otra pregunta. Zoe a Ricardo. Or let's switch it around now. Ricardo is asking Zoe. Okay? So Ricardo is asking Zoe, ¿te gusta más una hamburguesa o un sándwich? Then Zoe answers, contesta, me gusta más una hamburguesa. I like more, or I preferred a hamburger. See? Now remember, ¿te gusta más una hamburguesa o un sándwich? Do you prefer a hamburger or a sandwich? Or it can also be interpreted as, do you like a hamburger or a sandwich? Okay? Bueno, chicos y chicas, I'm going to be posting a handout that looks like this. Let me find it. Okay, that looks like this. And it's pretty much giving you two options, okay? And it already wrote the question for you. All you have to do is answer me gusta or me gustan if it's plural, more than one person. And the way you're going to find out if it's referring to more than one person is by the way the question is written. So if you see te gusta, that means singular. A ustedes, that's plural, more than one person. A ella, that's singular. A usted, that's singular. Te gustan. This is referring to what do you prefer? Papas fritas o papas al horno? Now, even though this sounds like a plural question, it is and it's not. Okay, it's plural because papas fritas, French fries, it's not saying do you like one French fry. It's asking do you like French fries. So that's plural. And it's asking if you like what's it called? Baked potatoes. Potatoes. It's not asking if you like one baked potato. It's saying if you like baked potatoes. So singular. That's why it needs to be it sounds like it needs to be it's being asked in a plural way, but it's actually a singular answer because it's just being aimed at one person. Does that make sense? Ugh, I know this one's a little tricky to explain. Okay, and then we have seis. A ustedes, plural. A él, singular. Okay, so mira. Número 2. ¿A ustedes les gustan más las galletas o los vegetales? A ustedes les gustan. That's plural. So, galletas, cookies, o vegetales, vegetables. You get to decide. Okay? There's no right or wrong answer. If you choose galletas, that's fine. If you chose vegetales, that's fine too. There's no right or wrong answer. Okay? As long as you're understanding how the plural and singular works, that's what I'm looking for. ¿Listos? Okay. Vamos a hacer el de abajo. Número 7. ¿A él le gusta más el pollo o el pescado? Does he prefer chicken or fish? We can go either way. So we're going to answer it using both, okay? So we're going to alternate. So, for example, first, pollo. So then we'd say, ¿le gusta más el pollo? Or, ¿le gusta más el pescado? Okay? Bueno, chicos y chicas, inténtalo. Give it a try. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to send me an email. Nos vemos!